Red.
Hello, we are here at our Spring Trail Bridge, or the Cedar Log Bridge. I'm not sure what we're going to call this thing. And some of the videos that I already made got deleted by some numbnuts, and so I wanted to show you a few things. First, here we are. We have the supports on the sleepers, and Shelly is holding the camera. My sister Shelly.
Hello.
Been the star of the video this entire time. So, if we can go down and look at the sleepers, what we have done, you can go really close if you want, is we notched out this support, and the support is sitting right on the sleeper. We could have notched out the sleeper as well, but we decided not to, just to keep it bigger. And we dug the sleeper into the ground. This is not flattened, this is hard, solid, all the way into the ground, so that this will never move. We actually had a flash flood. He's looking at me? We actually had a flash flood through here, last week? And this is, look at the creek. There's no water in here. This is just left over from the rain. So this is above the spring. And so there's almost no water. This is usually dry. So we had a flash flood in here, and just right down there, one of our trash things that someone left here 60 something years ago, there was a tire with the rim still in it. And that rim, that tire got washed down this nothing creek. Why I'm telling you that is our rocks that Shelly built on the side, everything, nothing got washed out. So that's really good to know. So we didn't notch out the sleepers. We only notched out the supports. And now that we've done that, this one is notched out almost perfectly. We spent way too much time on that. And this one over here, as you can see, there's a little bit of gap right in here, but the weight of the sleeper is still very strong on the sleeper, the weight of the support. So we notched this out, we'll notch that out, and here, let me take the camera. And I'm just going up here, and we didn't notch this out because it was so thin to start with. And we just decided it's going to be strong enough down on the other end, and we notched this guy out. This side is less than perfect, but over here, that fits really well. So Shelly and I, there's Shelly, we took too much time probably notching out those supports, didn't we?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah, I'm an annoying perfectionist with only some things. With many other things, I'm annoyingly not a perfectionist. I digress. So that's where we are right now. We have notched out the supports and the sleepers, and the next thing that we're going to do is put in the dowels.